Hello friends, in this video we learn how to make the program of this modeling, and now we show in the VMC machine how to cutters cut the materials. Now you can see this one is a different colors and different color square inside this square, so it has a different depth. You can see this one is a 0.5 and now this one is a 0.75. so first of all we rough this one is by 8 cr. We can see now with the help of stock we machining this one, and now finished part this one is a 3 mm 45-degree chamfer cutters. So first of all we make this program and post out it. Now final machining we seen in the VMC machine. Let's see in the VMC machine. Now you can see this one is a 345 degrees chamfer cutters. Now we see in the VMC machines